The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. It's time we start looking back into ways to start off your trading futures option with Charles Schwab. Now, I stepped away from this for a while because, quite frankly, I'm still in the learning process myself. I want to get an understanding of how the app actually works before I jump into trading. Again, we're not a financial literacy course at all. What we are IT related, and that's what I'm doing here is getting you involved and familiar with the app itself. You need to talk to a financial advisor or a broker before you begin trading. But it's still, you need to know what you're doing once you get on the app, and that's what we're here for. We're going to be talking about how to open a futures account because it's not straightforward. I tried this under the old banner of the TD Ameritrade, and quite frankly, it was a nightmare, and I never got approved. We're going to go through some of the steps right now on a new Charles Schwab interface for Thinkorswim trading. Jumping right in from the Charles Schwab home screen, we're going to go to the menu and select products. From there, select futures. E-mini, micro E-mini contracts are futures. This first screen, I advise us all to go through it. Get your introduction on. Even if you are pretty familiar with what futures are, get all the information you have available to you. It really is helpful. If you go ahead and click Get Started here or scroll down and select how to get started, it's the same deal. So let's go ahead and get started. It'll bring you to your Get Started with Future Tradings at Charles Schwab Futures and Forex. So let's go ahead, scroll down. You have to apply for futures. If you already have an account, I do. If you don't have an account, I don't even know how you got to this page, but again, open an account and fund it. Let's go ahead and march on, apply for futures. Right off rip, you're going to be hit with the Thinkorswim download screen. You should already have it installed. Again, we have it already in one of our videos. Make sure you go through it. Open a futures account. I'm going to select an account first. I have an individual account and open futures account. Right off rip, Charles Schwab Futures and Forex offers enhanced trading capabilities. With your permission, we can save you time as you open futures account by using your personal information. Let's go ahead and hit continue. All right, from that point on, you're answering about 3, 4, or 5 pages of questions with the continue button on there. It's going to ask about your sources of income, how much you make. It's going to have your personal information, such as your name, address, social. You want to make sure you're doing this in the privacy of your own home, not on any public computer, obviously, and you want to have a secure connection. Do not jeopardize your safety, your financial safety, by doing this on a public computer. That should go without saying. But after that, you're going to get a screen like this, and it's going to take you 1 to 2 days to get a reply back. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to do this for you so that you can see the process, because when I tried this under the old banner, the TD Ameritrade banner, I was denied, and it was flat out 6 months before I could even reapply again. I am not sure at this point if there is a dollar amount limit you have to have that account funded with. I don't know what the particulars are because I haven't read all the information. Now, again, prior to doing this year, I did come across some information and there was some type of limit. There were ways that you had to go through or steps you had to go through just to enable options on the under the old application. This format seems to be a little bit more straightforward. There were a little subtle differences where you had a signature, an electronic signature you had to do on some of the pages. Maybe there's a difference here. I don't know, but come back next time to see where I've gotten. 1 to 2 days and I'll open up another video. Thank you for watching thus far, and we will get back at you to see what the results were, good or bad.